This week's project of the week is the 3Doodler Start. This small handheld 3D printing machine comes with the 3Doodler printer, which is a small blue handheld device. It comes with 3Doodler Start filament and the 3Doodler Start activity guide. There are several options in the 3Doodler family. The 3Doodler Start is meant for ages 6 to 13, where the 3D Creator Plus is meant for ages 13 and up. For today's project, I've opted to do the 3D bicycle. In the activity guide that comes with the 3Doodler pen are several different activities with step-by-step directions. I liked this one because it only involves one color of filament. That is a key piece to the 3Doodler pen, is that you can only use one color at a time. In the activity guide, you will find a layout of pieces for the bicycle that can be traced. It's very easy to do directly on the paper with the 3D pen. Another helpful tip is to lay wax paper over the top of the template while you're tracing with the 3Doodler pen. I watched several YouTube tutorials provided by the 3Doodler company before beginning this video to try to determine the best way to work the filament. When you press the orange button, the filament begins to extrude, and this weaving pattern seems to be the most successful way to work through the pieces of this bicycle. Once I had completed tracing each of the pieces of the bicycle, some requiring multiple pieces, like 2 wheels and 2 pedals, I ended up with several different separate pieces of my bicycle. Once you have all of the pieces of the bicycle traced, you then must weld together the pieces of the bike to make it 3-dimensional. I did this by placing a small amount of 3D filament on one side of the wheel and then allowing the pieces to stick together until it cooled, and then going over the top of it with more 3D filament, again to weld the pieces together. Here's the continuation of that process throughout the rest of the pieces. Once all of the pieces are welded in place, and after creating my own kickstand, I was able to show you my 3D printed bike. If you have any interest in the 3Doodler pen or want more information on other STEM kits that we offer, please visit our website at firstmakerspace.com.